So today we are going to be unboxing a package over here, and this consists of Boya's BY-M1 lavalier microphone. This is a very popular lav mic amongst content creators. It's a really budget lav mic. I bought it for like around 870 rupees. So I thought that getting a lav mic would be advantageous for me because I could bring to you guys a lot of different variety of shots rather than just sitting at this table and recording off my USB mic. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is just some filler material, and yeah, there is the mic and the invoice. Yeah, this cost me like 873 rupees. Yeah, so the mic comes in a good looking box, and it does have quite a few specs behind it. So this is like a 6 meter long. So let's go ahead. Okay, so the entire thing seems to be in a pouch. Yeah, a good quality pouch. And there is the usual user manual. And then again some customer support warranty policy and things. Okay, I guess that's it. So first of all, you have the mic. See, it's pretty long. It's 6 meters, and this is the mic. And then you have a couple of accessories. Okay. So there is a tiny windscreen that goes right on top of this mic. Alright. Okay, and then there's a battery, LR44, and then there is the clip for attaching this to your clothes. You attach it right under the mic capsule. Yeah, so there are two modes on this one, which is the camera mode and the smartphone mode. You have to use this in this smartphone mode, especially if you're using it with your phone, and if you're using it with your DSLR or your mirrorless cameras, you have to flip it to camera mode. For this camera mode to work, you need to have a battery in it, which they have provided. And whenever you are not using it, it is advised to put it in smartphone mode. Otherwise, what will happen is your battery will get drained continuously. So I keep it in the off position, and you just open this up, get the battery, and yeah, you need to have, they have shown the positive and negative marking on this one. If you can see, they have shown it, and yeah, the positive has to go in here. Okay, so let's put this back and do a really quick audio test. And they also have provided a 1.4 inch adapter for converting this 3.5 mm into this 1.4 jack. Let's do a quick audio test. Right now the sound you are hearing is from the camera's internal microphone, and I'm using the Canon SL3 or the 200D Mark II, depending on where you live. So the internal mic is okay, but usually it's not that great. So let's switch. The audio you are listening to right now is from Boya's BY-M1 lavalier microphone. You have probably noticed that it's much more superior than the camera's internal microphone. There is a lot less noise and the audio quality is much better. So do keep in mind that both the audio from the lavalier mic as well as from the camera is not edited in any way. It is not amplified, or there is no noise reduction done on it. So it's just plain audio coming out of both the systems. And what I've done is that I have gone for manual setting on the camera. I have not set the audio recording to auto. I have done a manual setting to ensure that the audio doesn't go beyond the clipping levels. If you found the content useful, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon. It motivates me to make more videos for you guys. Catch you in the next one.